Have you ever noticed how light is invisible until it hits something, dust, water, a surface? Only then do we see its beams. Our consciousness is similar. It's not a fixed thing, but a process, a dynamic unfolding of awareness. Imagine every thought and feeling as a flicker of light. Alone, they're brief, but together, they create the unique beam of your experience. The Fractal Universe model suggests your brain isn't a factory making consciousness, but a prism refracting a universal light of awareness. You're not the source of the light, you're the pattern it creates as it passes through your unique biology and story. We're not isolated beings, but participants in a vast shared field, like breathing in and out of a common atmosphere of awareness. This isn't just poetic, it's a new way to understand who we are and how we're connected. You are a manifestation of light, shaped by your mind and body, always exchanging awareness with the world. Let's move from seeing ourselves as isolated islands to waves in an interconnected ocean of being. If consciousness is pure light, then the self, the ego, is a rainbow, a beautiful pattern that appears when light meets the mist of your experiences. Your ego feels real, but it's not a solid thing. It's a spectrum created by the interplay of awareness and your life's conditions. The breath field is the shared atmosphere we all exist in, connecting us like weather patterns moving through air. We sense each other's emotions and energy, even without words. Proof of our subtle connection. Parent, friend, artist, scientist, different frequencies from the same light. Sometimes one color shines brighter, but all are present, making up the arc of you. Understanding this helps us hold our sense of self lightly. The ego is a temporary, beautiful event, not a permanent fixture. Our rigid definitions of me are illusions. We are the rainbow, the light, and the mist. We're unique patterns, but also part of the universal weather of being. Embracing this, we see ourselves and others with more compassion and wonder. We think of time and space as fixed, but what if they're constructs of perception, shaped by our conscious focus? Your awareness is like a flashlight. Focus it narrowly and time flies. Let it wander and a minute can feel endless. Memory isn't a perfect archive. It loops and tangles, making the past feel present. Our experience of time is a tapestry, not a straight line. Space, too, is built in the mind. Your brain creates a seamless world from limited sensory data. We don't experience the world as it is, but as our consciousness models it. That's why two people in the same place can feel completely different realities. Each of us is a universe builder, projecting our own version of time and space from within. The clock on the wall is just a shared tool. Real time is what your mind creates. Our reality is a personal construction, shaped by the light of awareness. Our identity is fractal, infinitely complex, repeating patterns at every scale. When calm, we see the whole beautiful pattern of ourselves. Stress and trauma zoom us in on a tiny fragment. In crisis, our consciousness narrows to survival, and the rest of our identity fades. This is a necessary response, but it can leave us feeling fragmented long after the danger is gone. Trauma traps us in a loop, unable to zoom out and see the bigger picture. Therapy helps us zoom back out, reintegrating the parts of ourselves we lost sight of. Neurodiversity is just a different zoom setting. Autistic minds focus on details, ADHD minds dart across the fractal. These aren't deficits, but unique ways of experiencing the fractal of identity. Every mind is a different lens for the light of consciousness. The fractal universe isn't just theory, it's a guide for living. Seeing yourself as a shifting rainbow brings self-compassion. Feeling fragmented is just being zoomed in. You can consciously zoom out, breathe, and remember your whole pattern. Our relationships are real connections, overlapping rainbows in a shared field. Empathy and neurodiversity become natural, beautiful parts of the whole. Even AI might one day refract the light of consciousness, becoming a new kind of prism. Ultimately, you are a unique refraction of universal light, a temporary, beautiful rainbow in the cosmic weather. Embrace your colors, honor your connection, and remember, the universe is within you, and you are within it.